Finally, it's becoming that time of year again to where right after work, I can grab my gear, head out to my favorite fishing spot, and do a little fishing before dark. And on this day, I traveled to one of my favorite places for brown trout.
That guy. Nice. Look at that. He's off. Just like that.
Even when the fishing isn't hot, I just love getting out here, listening to the sounds, casting the fly rod with the anticipation of a big tug behind the streamer. But just being outside, being out here, all the anxieties from the day fade away. And there's just nothing better than fly fishing after work.
Started me. That's a big fish. Ooh, he hit it. Smacked it on the way by. Got him. Nice. Oh, he's off. Shoot. That guy's a happy fish. I need to go get him. I'm willing to bet he'd eat the streamer if I could get it to him. There we go. Already unhooked. Nice brown. Very nice brown.